We've been learning about the 6 entry types for this trading system. In this video, I'm going to go over the 6 entry types. This will not cover exits, only entries. The 6 entry types are the crossing of the 100% fib level, the recrossing of the 100% fib level, breaking of the last high or low, recrossing the break of the last high or low, crossing over the middle Bollinger Band, and recrossing over the middle Bollinger Band. The first entry type is the crossing of the 100% fib level, and I will go over that here. We draw our fibs from this low to this high. Here's our 100% fib level. In this case, we will take a short when this level is broken. Not only when this candle here breaches the 100% level, but it has to close outside of that level. In this case, our short entry would be immediately at the open of the next candle, which is right here, after seeing the close of the previous candle outside of the 100% level. Entry number 2 would be a recross of the 100% fib level, where the initial cross was a failed. So in this case, we'll draw our fibs like so, from this high of the Bollinger Band to this low, using those candle extremes. And we wait for not only a candle to poke its head above the 100% level, but to close above it. And here we have a candle closing above the 100% level. We enter long right there at the open of the next candle. Now, if this move doesn't get us our target, then we take a re-entry once the 100% fib level is recrossed the opposite way. In this case, this candle here not only crosses but closes on the other side of the 100% fib level. So our entry would be the open of this candle, and we would go short here. This is entry type number 2, a recross of the 100% level. Entry type number 3 is crossing of the last high or low. For this trade, we identify a recent high or low, and we'll use this candle here as our high, and we'll draw a line like so, and we wait for price to break and close above that high, and we get that with this candle right here. So our entry candle would be on this one here, the first candle after the break of that recent high. Go long here. Entry type number 5 is a recross of the last high or low, and that would be where our initial long doesn't pan out, so we take a recrossing of that level, the last high in this case. It could have been a low, but this example is a high. We take a recross back down, wait for a candle to close below that level, and then enter on the next candle after that. Entry level number 5 would be a crossing over or under the middle Bollinger Band. In this case, our middle Bollinger Band is here. We wait for a candle to cross and close below that, and our entry is at the open of the next candle, which in this case would be right here, to go short. And entry type number 6 would be a recross of the Bollinger Band's middle line. So let's look for a cross that doesn't pan out, and then a recross to the other side. So here, for example, we have a candle that closes well below the middle Bollinger Band. If we would have taken a short at the open of the next candle, that short would not have been a successful trade, but the very next candle or two after that have another close on the other side of the middle Bollinger Band, and our entry would then be at the open of the next candle after that, which would be this one here. And that's entry type number 6.